Well guys, I was gonna come out here this morning and work on these fascias, getting the house wrapped up so it looks a little nicer. It was a nice overcast morning, nice and cool, and I thought perfect day to get this work done. As soon as I walk out here, as soon as I get ready, get my tools together, the sun comes out full blast. Guys, it was totally overcast and cool and shady, and now I'm getting roasted. So I don't know how long I'm gonna work, but I'm going to start the fascia over here and fight the sun a little bit. Good. Right there. So there it is, guys. That's the next piece. I hope that works. And I'll try to get it put in.
Okay. We'll cut that up there in place.
Well, I can't make it exciting, but we are getting it done, and so we're going to keep taking you along. So I made this. I don't know if it'll fit, but we'll try it for right here. Yeah?
Were you like, I have no idea.
Yeah, I just skipped them. It was like, I just couldn't see with this.
For a lens?
Yeah.
Why?
What is it cost? I would have bought one by now if I could. Well guys, I guess I can end it because we just finished that little section right there. It's all done. Look it. Done. Done. But that cleaned it up a lot. It's actually not done because now that the fascia is done, I can put the gable trim on the roof. So there's like there's a trim for the roofing metal that goes on top of the roof and over the side, and it'll seal up that black up there. So not quite done, but I'm not going to do it right now because it's too sunny to be sitting up on the roof. Let's finish up this run. You know how long it's been since we finished the back of our house, and we still don't have fascia. So let's keep wrapping around, see what we can get done today. So there it is, all finished up. Even got it wrapped all the way around the bird box there. You can see up at the corner. That's all one solid piece going from the front all the way around it. Watertight, perfect. Whew. This side, obviously we need to do the siding over here, soffits, before we can do any more. But we just got two sides of our house. Two complete sides of fascia, complete. And that feels good, it makes the house look a lot better. Well guys, with the back of the house looking so much better and the other side of the house looking so much better, I feel like we have to do something with this. I would love to keep wrapping these eaves around finishing the soffits, so that's what I'm going to do. So as you can see, we already started this section of the house previously. Shouldn't be leaving the house wrap exposed this long, so This is a section that we should work on. First thing I have to do is box in the soffits so we can do the soffits. I just need to add a nailer on the wall so that we have something to attach our soffit panels to. Well, the first thing I have to do is patch up the house wrap up here above the window.
Man, it's bright today. Wow.
Anywhere, right?
Yeah.
Different than I said. I'm not even using that 12 footer.
You're not using the what?
The 12 footer that I bought.
Yeah.
There's 2 wasps right here. I don't know how they're going to take to this. If I scream and drop this, better be careful. Okay, okay.
Good. It looks good still.
I really don't like doing this around these wasps. So we got our first piece of blocking installed. I'm going to run my first soffit panel. So in case you guys are just joining us, we are using LP SmartSide for our soffits. And so it's just siding panels ripped down to size. It's cheap, it's easy. These aren't vented. Solid panels. So when you're on the side of the house like this is called the rake. This is the gable end. And these are typically never vented, and they don't need to be vented because it doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't lead into the attic. It doesn't lead into the house. It's just a roof overhang. And so they typically don't need to be vented. Now, usually vented soffits are on the ends of the house, the eaves. So these technically aren't eaves, right?
Yeah, the rakes.
I'll call them eaves, but they're rakes. These are eaves. So, you know, picture a roof like this. Eaves, rakes. So the eaves are usually vented because that's where the air would come in to flow up to the ridge and up through the attic. Now, we don't even use a ridge vent really because we have this attic gable vent. So our attic is gable vented. And this part right here, this part isn't vented at all. This is a sealed, unvented roof assembly. So no vents are needed. It's designed to be not vented. And that's that. So that's why we don't have to worry about vents. What about the wasps? You want to knock them down first? Or do you want to just close them in?
Ah, it's stuck up there. They're in here too?
Yeah, there's one right around that corner. They're flying all around you.
I know.
And you're not scared?
Ah, I just got stung on my cheek.
Oh no,
The swarm.
get down.
Notice how I didn't freak out though?
I would've. Where'd you get stung?
Right here.
She just got stung in the face and she doesn't even care.
I really don't.
That's why I send a woman to do the bee job.
Like right here.
So now I gotta go up here with the educated bees. Wasps. Wasps. All right, first soffit panel in place. I'm gonna add blocking right at the edge of it so that we have a solid surface where the 2 panels join. So
Update on the bee sting, or wasp. So we're in here.
sometimes we say things that we don't mean, like we'll say bee
Yeah.
because we're talking casually. We know they're wasps. Sometimes we'll say vapor barrier, even though I mean vapor retarder, because most people don't even know what vapor retarder is. So I just generically say vapor barrier.
Yeah.
I just know because somebody was telling me, like a couple people gave me a hard time recently because, not a hard time, but called me out because I said water resistant and waterproof, referring to the same product. And it was waterproof, but I said water resistant. We don't always mean what we say, but we know what we're saying. Does that make
Like we'll
sense?
say palm tree even though palms aren't trees. Or we'll say panda bear even though it's giant panda or just panda.
Yeah, sometimes we just talk.
Yeah.
They're bees.
You mean wasps?
Yeah.
You have tons of stuff in your beard.
I was just sawing up above my head. I'm sorry you didn't see it, but we just got the second panel in. It was a little bit crooked, so I had to trim it in place. Our house isn't straight. We'll talk about that maybe someday. Good. 2 panels in. That's about as far as I can go right now until we start working on the siding over here. It actually goes behind the house wrap. That house wrap is wrapped over the original siding. But these 2 pieces is enough for me to put some more rain screen on, trim out this window, and start the siding on this wall. Should be trimmed, but let's go with it. Well guys, we're fighting through the heat today again, but I'm ready for trim. Let's get the window trimmed. I already cut it. I already primed it. It's ready to go. Can you do me a favor and just hold up one of those short pieces here? I want to see how far down it goes under the window right now.
What do you mean short pieces?
Yeah, one of those. Put it right here on the side. I just want to see.
Oh.
What is this?
You said short pieces.
Why is that so short?
I don't know.
So I thought I was ready. As you can see, something happened here because
It's like 8 inches too short.
you know, I was all proud of myself. I have them all ready. Well, we sorted that mess out. Got some new pieces made, got the trim installed. So now we're really gonna test our measuring skills. If I can't even do some simple window trim, then what hope do I have getting the siding panel cut? We just did cut it, right? Leaning up on the ladder, the first piece, hopefully it fits up and around the window okay. I'm hoping, if we make any mistakes, I'm quitting. If this doesn't fit, I'm done for the day.
Yeah.
Just kidding, apparently. We're not ready.
Mm-hmm.
I forgot, we nearly forgot. Who forgot, me or you?
You.
That we still have to make our window flashing for above the trim, so flashing is important. Let's get it done. Let me see how this is going to look. All right, guys. We have the drip cap installed over the window trim. Now I'm gonna get this reattached and then we can test fit our first piece. I think we're ready. Everything's flashed up. Okay. My cut might not be totally straight, but let's see what this is doing. Yeah, it's gonna go to be. Let's see if we can finish up one more sheet so that the window area is done, and then we can be done, right? Okay, so is this the bottom again? Looks like it.
To here.
Let's get the dust off of it.
Oh.
It's gonna fit.
Okay. Just be careful when you hook that it doesn't break.
Well guys, I think that's a good place to stop. We got so much done wrapping up all the fascia on the back side of the house, as well as starting the siding work on this side of the house. And that is a good start to this side because this is the last side of our house. You see that old siding right there? That's all that we have left to do on the exterior as far as siding work. We do have little things with the foundation, we have our porch, we have things that we need to work on, but siding work is almost done. I'm happy we finally got that window wrapped up. Now we can work on all the little odds and ends, trim work, corner trim. We were getting a little bit burnt out at the end. Our minds weren't working. I made some mistakes, but the siding went up perfect. We did a perfect job on it.
Luckily.
The lines around the trim are perfect, the gaps. Those gaps around our trim work get filled with siding sealant to keep the water out, and then it's ready for paint. We might take a break from the siding work. I'm not going to keep working down that side of the house just yet because we have some other jobs we have to tackle first. So I guess that's all we have for now. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.